When you spin up a new project with AI, it's tempting to focus only on features or design. But if your project loads slowly, or shifts around as it renders, or isn't accessible, people won't stick around. That's why performance matters, and where Lighthouse performance scores can really help.
Lighthouse is an open source tool created by Google. Think of it like a diagnostic test for your project. On Netlify, Lighthouse can run automatically with every deploy, giving you scores and recommendations that help you build sites that aren't just functional, but fast, reliable, and accessible. It runs a set of automated audits and gives you a score from 0 to 100 in different categories, like performance, which is how quickly your page loads and responds, accessibility, which is whether people of all abilities can use your site, best practices, to check for modern standards and security, and SEO, to see if search engines can easily find and index your content. On Netlify, you don't have to run Lighthouse manually. Instead, you can enable the Lighthouse Build plugin. Once it's active, Netlify will run Lighthouse automatically during each deploy. You'll then see the scores and a full Lighthouse report directly in your Netlify dashboard. This way, you're baking performance monitoring directly into your project workflow. Each score is backed by real metrics and comes with a detailed report so you know exactly what's working and what you can improve. By default, Lighthouse simulates a mobile device on a slower network, as mobile first is how most people experience the web today. Now, it's important to understand what Lighthouse is and what it isn't. Lighthouse gives you lab results, synthetic tests that simulate a visitor on a controlled device and network. These are great for consistency and spotting issues before launch. But lab results don't always match what real people experience in the wild. That's why Netlify also provides real user metrics. Once your project is live, real user metrics collect data from actual visitors, tracking core web vitals like LCP, which is how fast the main content shows up, INP, or how responsive the site feels when someone clicks or types, CLS, to see whether things move around unexpectedly on the page, and a lot more. Lighthouse and real user metrics give you the best of both worlds. You receive pre-deployed checks under controlled conditions with Lighthouse, and with real user metrics, you receive post-deploy insights from real visitors on real devices.
So if you're building with AI tools and spinning up projects quickly, Lighthouse performance scores give you a simple way to check the quality of what you've built. You don't need to guess if your site is fast or user-friendly. You'll know. And with Netlify's built-in previews, you can iterate quickly until it feels just right.